It's Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. Look how good that's coming up. I said, you know what? I got to make you guys a video. So this is a diner that we normally do here. As you can see, the traffic areas. We do this about every month, sometimes almost every quarter, just depending on how business flows for our customer. But this is one thing I want to show you. Everyone coming out to do your thing, you know, you get a nice notification saying, hey, 30 minutes, we're coming out to come do the cleaning. You know, if you're either 30 minutes away, 40 or 50. And following that, we'll come through, let you know we got started. There we go, we got started here. And then, of course, we'll let you know when we are complete. Now, when we're complete, we'll go ahead and notify you, send you this information here. It's all completed. And, of course, we'll go ahead and send you the invoice. And so this is just a test for you guys. But we'll send that invoice out to you. Email and also text message. That's why you always know what's going on in your building or in your home, okay? And also we'll sign the employee to it. You'll be able to see who the employee is on your invoice and who's coming inside your home. So what I did here is, you know, of course, we're doing our end cap cleaning. Some people try to come use steam, but it's just, these are glue down tiles here. That steam is going to raise the tiles, heat up the glue underneath, raise the tiles, and then not only that, it would also cause some moisture or smell because it takes a little while for it to go ahead and dry, all right? So here we go, look at this here, look at that, all right? Steam, what does that says? Steam and dry cleaner. This picture's from 1860 right here, horse and buggy. Come on now, all right? Let's go ahead and get this thing here. If they're, you know, if they were doing it back then, we have chemicals that are better than that now. And all of our chemicals are green safe too as well, okay? So they're safe for kids and pets. And, you know, we're in 2024 or 23 right now, going into 24, all right? We have SpaceX, which is part of the military branch now. If we can fight some wars inside space, we can definitely fight these stains on your carpets, okay? So what we're doing, we're using the pad with some polythene in it. It's a Revive It pad. I mean, just look at that here. I'm not going to give you a lot of video here with this because it's hard to control it with one hand. I mean, just look at the carpet coming off, all right? Videos don't lie. Look at how dark it is over there. It's gonna be a nice breeze because we're in a restaurant. That's traffic build up. You know, we haven't been here in 2 months. And look at that, all right? Now, the key is to maintain it, okay? We do True Warehouse. We have some videos on that. If you look at their carpets, they are perfect. They look brand new. Why? Because we are there every quarter, okay? Every quarter cleaning. All right, I think I actually just blew a fuse here. Someone got to hit the circuit breaker, but I'll be right back and stay tuned. Just look at the difference there. All right, so you've seen how, you know, the tracks and stuff on there. Now you can see it came up great, even underneath the tables. This walkway, heavy traffic area, right on out. Now we did move all the furniture back, but if you look forward in that video, you can tell that everything came right on up. Main thing, the reason why, is we're maintaining this, okay? That's the main reason. We're here every weekend, or not every weekend, we're here every month, staying on top of it. As you can see, this is the other side look like, very dark, hazy. We even have like a piece right here. Hit, all right, it's real dark. So we'll show you this one getting cleaned up. And these carpets dry in 1 hour. That's right, 1 hour. You can go ahead and open up. We can come for a lunch, or if you have a break in your day, we'll come real quick and it'll be dry right before your customers get back in here. All right. So if you like what you see and you have any questions or you want to see anything that we do, please go ahead and like and subscribe or comment. All right. Also look us up on Facebook. We're also on Google. And go ahead and let us know how we're doing. This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. Go ahead and we'll talk to you soon. There you go. Yup, forward, back. Hold back one more time so I can get the dirty and clean. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Clearly, see the difference.